Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster, and today I have a really nice episode here. I have the new Minions Kinder Surprise eggs. I have 12 surprise eggs. I'm going to open them, and I will directly start because I think this will take quite some time. I bought them. Oh, they are a bit here damaged. Oh, that is okay, guys. What happened here? Yeah, I think it was a bit too hot here. Oh, that's quite sad now. I want real ones here. Ah, but it looks good. I put it in the freezer. Yeah, it's still eatable, guys. I can eat it. So I'm really curious how many Minions figures I get. Here I must get at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Minions figures. On there I directly have one Minions. Which one is it here? This guy. This is the coolest minion. Oh, look at this gigantic dildo here for the ass kind of thing. Yeah, I will look here at here this one in the end. But first I will open the surprise eggs because many people are bored of this lecture kind of. Oh, guys, have you ever seen such a Kinder Surprise egg? Let me see if they still taste good. Another minion! Yoo-hoo. I haven't seen the movie yet. Okay, so this guy here jumps. Or he's supposed to jump. Okay, so 2 minions directly in the first 2 surprise eggs. I think this is quite a good of a rate here. So let's see how many more minions we get here. I hope this is... Oh no, this is... Bowing. I will look at this in the end here. First the minions, surprise eggs for you guys. So here another one, kind of thing. Get some more chocolate. The surprise chocolate gets 10 out of 10. It's the best boring kind of thing. It is really one of the best chocolates for kids because I mean it has the milk, the healthy stuff, the milk, and also tastes like normal chocolate. Oh, this guys, it's here almost open, completely melting it. Oh, look at this, but it's hard now because it comes out as straight. Guys, this feels completely different than all the other ones. This is like with a lot of fat. I like to eat fat, but I don't like to have fat in my hands. I have never seen such... Oh, this one is completely melting it. Oh, I hope this one is the only one that is like this. Stupid motherfucker egg. Minions! Another minion. I got another minions. This is how it looks. Why is my camera not focusing? Focus on the important things in life here, camera. It's like a little Höhlenmensch kind of thing. So right now I have 3 minions. directly, so that's pretty good. Guys, is it like, can you still eat the chocolate? It tastes like always, but I don't know. Oh, another one! And it's one I don't have. I don't have this guy. The guitar minion. Very cool of figure. So I have 4 different minions, which is quite nice, I think. So let me open the next surprise egg. Oh, this looks again completely. This is a very messy episode. But chocolate is chocolate. No minions. I don't even care, like, for the other toys kind of thing. Because minions is the only thing I want here. Out of it. Like this, now I have to wash my hands after the video. And that is something I have never had before. No minions! What is this? It can spin, I think. Spin. Yeah, not really. It's almost here broken. Yeah, what? This is not a toy for me. Guys, so far, this is how it looks here. Minion, minion. Here, I also have other minion candies. Yeah, I don't know here about this mess. Guys, I would suggest, I hope you are not angry with me, but the last 4 ones I will open in a separate video where I also show you the other minions candies. I think that's more interesting because otherwise the videos are too long. Here, this is almost like 10 minutes. So, yeah guys, I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up here or thumbs down. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.